Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your Facebook Messenger username. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So all you need to do is open up Messenger, then click on the three lines on the top left, then click on the settings cog on the top right. Once you're on here, underneath profile, it should say username, so you can just click on that. And then it should give you the option to edit username. So once you're on here, just type in whatever username you want. And then obviously you have to pick one that's available. Then it should give you the option to save on the top right. And it'll also let you know your username becomes part of your custom links that let people visit your Facebook profile and reach you on Messenger. So if you're happy with that, just select save. And then you'll see your new username on there. So that's how you can change your Messenger username. Thanks for watching.